If you are planning to visit the Statue of Unity, then staying in Ekta Nagar is the best way to enjoy your trip. Of course, you can stay in Vadodara, but then it's gonna be really tiring. It's gonna be a 2-hour drive in the morning and then another 2 hours drive in the evening. It is not something that we recommend, especially if you're traveling with elders and if you're traveling with children. So, to help you out, in this video, we have listed out the top 10 best hotels in Ekta Nagar, which is the closest city to the Statue of Unity. The prices mentioned in this video are the prices which we got during the time of recording this video. Hotel prices can be higher or even lower depending on your booking date. That's why we always recommend that you book your hotels as soon as possible to get the cheaper prices. You can head towards adiratravels.com or you can just use the links provided in our description to get the cheapest online booking price. The Fern Sardar Sarovar Resort. The hotel is managed by the Fern hotel chain, which is actually a relatively young brand in the hotel world but has set itself as a professional mid-range hotel chain. Their property in Ekta Nagar is very convenient since it is just opposite the station. You can just cross the road to get the various public transport to visit the Statue of Unity. It would take you around a 10 minutes drive to reach the Statue of Unity from the hotel. It is also one of the best-selling hotels in Ekta Nagar. The hotel is pretty complete. They have enough car parking space. They also have a huge food options in their in-house vegetarian restaurant. They also have a huge swimming pool and an outdoor kids play area to keep the children entertained. In regards to their rooms, they have a number of room types, but generally speaking, they are slightly larger in size compared to the other hotels in Ekta Nagar. We would recommend this hotel if you want spacious rooms, a convenient and a comfortable hotel. We got their basic room for around 4,600 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to book this hotel at the best price. Hotel Galaxy Unity. The hotel is one of the best-selling hotels in Ekta Nagar due to its pricing as well as its location. The hotel is just around a 5 minutes drive from the station and around a 10 minutes drive to the Statue of Unity. It is on the main road and is impossible to miss. It is a premium hotel and is also managed by the famous Fortune group of hotels. Ambience-wise, it doesn't have the premium fancy feeling, but the hotel is very practical and functional. They have plenty of car parking space and the bus stand is also located just outside the hotel. They have a pure vegetarian in-house restaurant that provides an option for Jain food if you require them. If you have stayed in any Fortune property, you would know that they employ really good cooks and provide great food. All their rooms have decent space, a flat screen TV, AC, huge windows and comfortable beds. Overall, it's a great choice if you want something practical, simple and elegant. We got their rooms for around 3,300 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to book this hotel at the best price. Ramada Encore. Located around a 10 minutes drive to the Statue of Unity and just around a 5 minutes drive from the station, this hotel is one of the best-selling hotels in Ekta Nagar. It is also currently one of the closest premium hotels to the Statue of Unity and is the only international star hotel brand in Ekta Nagar. They have enough car parking space, so you don't have to worry if you're bringing your own transport. In regards to your food, they have two different restaurants from Sankalp, the Sankalp and the Saffron. They serve only vegetarian food in their restaurant to respect the local culture. However, they do serve non-vegetarian in their in-room dining. The hotel also has the only Olympic-sized swimming pool in the whole of Ekta Nagar, so you can swim comfortably without any disturbance. They also have a complete fitness center to help you stay in shape. To keep the kids entertained, they have a well-maintained outdoor kids play area. In regards to their rooms, they have a garden-facing room as well as a river-facing room. All their rooms have a balcony and a seating area which makes it more comfortable. We got their superior room for around 3,300 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. The Nirvana Resort. The resort is located around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity and is around a 10 minutes drive from the Ekta Nagar station. The resort is a recommended place if you are bringing your own vehicle as they have plenty of car parking space available. They also have their own vegetarian restaurant that serves a variety of cuisine. They also prepare Jain food by request. The resort is a premium resort, having a huge lawn area and a well-maintained swimming pool. This can be a great choice if you're traveling with your family and you wish to spend some quality time with your loved ones. Each and every room here is an individual small cottage. They have a variety of room types and all their rooms have a tent-like ambience which adds to its beauty. The rooms are equipped with an AC, a flat-screen TV, a hairdryer, and they even support Wi-Fi. We got their deluxe cottage room for around 5,600 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to book this resort at the best price. Windham Resort. The resort is a fairly new resort which just started operating in 2024. It is still not yet famous, but we believe this hotel will be one of the recommended places to stay in the coming years due to a number of things. The resort is located just around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity and around a 20 minutes drive from the Ekta Nagar station. It is a super complete resort. They have their own in-house restaurant, a beautiful well-maintained swimming pool, as well as a huge garden. Another thing is that they also have plenty of outdoor as well as indoor games to keep the adults as well as the kids occupied. The hotel is really comfortable if you're traveling with a group of friends or family, and if you want to make your trip to the Statue of Unity a relaxing holiday. We got their deluxe room for around 3,200 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. We still have 5 more hotels on this list, and if this video has been helping you out so far, do please support us, give us a like and click subscribe for more travel tips. We also would like to invite you to join in our Adira Travels mailing list. Now by joining this mailing list, we would be able to pass on some of the deals and discounts which we get from your favorite hotels and restaurants. Joining the mailing list is completely free and you can also do so by clicking the link in our description. The Rama Hills Unity Resort. The hotel is located around a 25 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity and around a 20 minutes drive from the Ekta Nagar station. We only recommend this hotel if you are bringing your own vehicle, since it would be more practical and more comfortable. The resort is located on the main road, so it's pretty easy to find. It is also a very new resort. It just started operating in the late 2023. It is a simple resort with a huge open area. They have their own in-house restaurant, a huge lawn, as well as a swimming pool. They have 15 cottages and each cottage have 3 rooms. So they only have a total of 45 rooms. All their rooms have an AC, a private bathroom, as well as comfortable beds. We got their standard room for around 4,300 rupees per night. You can use the links in our description to get the best price for your booking. Hotel Comfort Inn. The hotel was just completed in 2023. It is located around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity and less than 10 minutes drive from the Ekta Nagar station. It is located on the main road and is pretty easy to find. The hotel has their own parking space which makes it comfortable if you're bringing your own vehicle. Another nice thing about this hotel is that they have their own in-house restaurant. It is managed by the Sankalp franchise. If you want more variety, there are also a number of food outlets in the same complex. The design of the hotel is simple and elegant. They have a number of room types including a family room. All their rooms have an AC, a flat screen TV and comfortable beds. We suggest this hotel if you want an all-in-one comfortable place to stay with your family. We got the rooms for around 3,000 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. The Tent City 2. There are 2 tent cities in Ekta Nagar. The one we are discussing now is of the Tent City 2. It is around a 15 minutes drive to the Statue of Unity. The hotel is actually just like its name. It's a small city made of 200 tents. The tent city was inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. They have hosted a number of VVIPs, which includes a number of ministers as well as the President of India. It is the perfect place to host meetings, conferences as well as gatherings. They have a huge in-house restaurant and have a huge meeting hall as well. They provide a shuttle bus going back and forth between the Statue of Unity regularly during the day. And every night they have a cultural show for their guests to enjoy. In regards to their rooms, all their rooms are having a tent ambience with luxurious facilities. All their rooms are equipped with an AC, a flat screen TV and private bathroom. They have a variety of room types and you can book whichever one fits your budget. We got their rooms for around 6,700 rupees per night. You can use the links in our description to get the best rates for your booking. Unity Holiday Resort. The resort is located around a 20 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. It is a newly built resort in 2022 and in a very short time the hotel has become one of the most famous and recommended hotels near the Statue of Unity. They have a unique ambience, having Swiss tent atmosphere and having the fort ambience. It is a great place to stay if you have never stayed in a Swiss tent before. Some of you might like it and some of you might not. But overall, at least it would be a luxurious experience. They have their own in-house restaurant, a swimming pool as well as a huge garden. All their rooms are luxurious Swiss tents having an AC, a coffee and tea maker as well as a private bathroom. So you don't have to worry regarding your comfort. They have a variety of room types and even have family rooms as well. We got their standard room for around 2,500 rupees per night. Click the related video to get the best price while booking this hotel. Hotel Sai Inn. The hotel is located around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity and is just around a 5 minutes drive from the Ekta Nagar station. It is on the main road, so it is pretty easy to find. They also have plenty of car parking space, so it's comfortable for those of you bringing your own vehicle. It is a great mid-range hotel for those of you searching for a comfortable stay near the Statue of Unity. The hotel is simple, clean and elegant. They have their own in-house restaurant that serves a variety of cuisine. And there are a number of restaurants next door, so you have a wider range of options. The hotel has a number of room types including a family room. Their rooms are comfortable, having an AC, a flat screen TV and a window, allowing plenty of natural light. We got their deluxe room for around 3,300 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to book this hotel at the best price. Share this video with your friends and family if you are still confused on which hotel to book. Ask them for their opinion and then book the hotels as soon as possible. Because last-minute bookings, the hotel tends to be more expensive. You can click right here if you are searching for the more budget-friendly options in Ekta Nagar, and you can click right here for the best hotels in Vadodara. This is Raja from Adira Travels. We do hope that you have a great time in your visit to the Statue of Unity. Stay safe, keep smiling, and see you next time. Bye-bye.